In this question, we are told that E1 is x square plus bx plus c, that is a quadratic equation, and the minimum of the quadratic equation occurs when x is equal to minus 4. If you have a quadratic equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the minimum of this quadratic equation, if a is greater than 0, occurs when x is equal to minus b by 2a. In this particular case, this will help us in finding out the value of b, because the minimum of x square plus bx plus c will occur when x is equal to minus b by 2. And we are told that this is equal to minus 1 by 4. Or essentially the value of b is equal to half. So what is the value of E1? The expression E1 will essentially look like x square plus x by 2 plus c is equal to 0, and the two roots of this quadratic equation are given to be equal to a and b. We are given a similar information about another quadratic equation E2, which is x square plus kx plus j, and the two roots are a plus b and b plus c, and we are told that the minimum occurs when x is equal to minus 7 by 2. What does this imply? It implies that minus k by 2 is equal to minus 7 by 2, or the value of k is equal to 7. So what is the value of E2? The value of E2 will be x square plus 7x plus j is equal to 0. And what are the two roots of E2? The two roots of E2 are a plus b and b plus c. But we know the value of a plus b. The sum of the roots of a quadratic equation, again if it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, the sum of the two roots will be equal to minus b by a, and the product of the two roots will be equal to c by a. So as a and b are the roots of x square plus x by 2 plus c, the value of a plus b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, if minus 1 by 2 will be a root of E2. So we can substitute the value of x to be equal to minus 1 by 2 in E2, and it should equal 0. That would imply that 1 by 4, which is minus 1 by 2 whole square, minus 7 by 2 plus j is equal to 0, or the value of j is equal to 7 by 2 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 13 by 4. So the value of E2, the expression will look like this. It will be x square plus 7x plus 13 by 4. We are required to calculate the minimum value of E2 and the magnitude of it. So first let us calculate the minimum value of E2. To calculate the minimum value of E2, let us complete a perfect square. This is x square plus 7x. So 7x can be written as 2 into 7 by 2 into x. So this will be of the form x plus 7 by 2 whole square minus 7 by 2 whole square plus 13 by 4. We are just completing a perfect square. So the minimum value of x plus 7 by 2 whole square is 0. That will occur when x is equal to minus 7 by 2. So the minimum value of E2 will be minus 7 by 2 whole square plus 13 by 4. If you simplify it, it will be minus 49 by 4 plus 13 by 4, which is equal to minus 36 by 4, which is equal to minus 9. So the minimum value of E2 is minus 9. What we are required to calculate is the magnitude, that is the absolute value of it. So the absolute value will be equal to 9. This is the answer.